Hey guys, wanna slow down videos with the use of the CapCut app? Let me show you how easy it is, so follow along this simple step-by-step tutorial. Now let's begin. First off, open CapCut on your device and either open an already existing project or create a new one. Then select the media that you wanna use for this project and then click on Add at the bottom right. Now, when you have created a project, just select a video just by clicking on the lower tab with the video right here. Now you will see a new tab right there at the lower portion of the project, and there you should select the speed option at the bottom right. So now go to the normal graph icon right here at the bottom left, and here you will just have to bring up the slider to the left just like that, and it will actually slow down your video. So click that check mark at the right side, and then when ready, click on the export option at the top right. So now the video will be automatically saved to your phone's gallery. You can share it even to the Instagram stories just by clicking on the stories option right here. And then you can also tap done right there at the top right and click on your stories. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.